Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am Rajivpujala. In this video, we will see how to freeze the first row and how to add colors and how to make this like a bold and how to adjust the width and the row height of the header by using the app script. Let's go ahead and let's see. And I mean, in this sheet one, you can see that we have three columns, which is the names, age, and the formula. So ideally, it would be very nice if we bold this one and if we center this one and if we increase the row height and if we make it like look little bit bigger and also if we freeze this one. Okay, so basically, so now we have freeze the entire first row. So let's achieve the same by using app script. Okay, let's click on extensions, click on app script. Change color, width, and data and header alignment. Cool. Let's see. So function change parameters. Okay, variable spreadsheet is equal to spreadsheet dot get active spreadsheet, and we have the data in the sheet one. So let's get the sheet spreadsheet dot get sheet by name sheet one. Okay, cool. If the sheet exists, so let's see. Now if you look at the first row is the header row, so basically we don't have to loop through the rows, instead we have to loop through the columns. So how many columns we have, how to get to know? So let's take a variable here, variable number of columns is equal to sheet dot get last column. Okay, so this gives the number as 3. Okay, now instead of looping through rows, let's loop through the columns. Okay, now for looping, I know that we have only 3 columns. I'm using the for loop variable I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to number of columns, I plus plus. Okay, and then we will see sheet dot get range of, here instead of I comma 1 I'm gonna give first row because it's like first row and first column, right? So if I give say something like 1 comma 1, this is like first row and first column, and for this one this is like 1 comma 1 and this like 1 comma 2 and this like 1 comma 3. So instead of 1 2 3, to make the program dynamic, I'm going to 1 comma I. Here I is equal to 1. Here again 1 comma I, but here I is equal to 2. Here 1 comma I, here I is equal to 3. Right? So like this we will make the program to work dynamically. So 1 comma I, so loop through the columns, dot set background, so which color you want to use. So let's see, colors of Google logo, for example. um, okay, so there are many colors, so how to get to know, I would like to get in this one, RGB colors of Google. Let's see. Okay, so the hex colors, let's talk about, let's take let's keep the headers as a green, and the hex color for the green is this one, or we can use the RGB as well. So this is the hex color, so I'm taking this one, and let's go back to here and let's update the here. Okay, and let's run this one and let's see whether the changes are being reflected or not. Okay, now you can see the color is like reflected. So we have added background color, and now let's see what we can do. So let's increase the row height of this one. So she dot get range of 1 comma I dot set row No, I mean, so I want to only do for the first row, right? That at least set row height 1 comma 53. Let's execute this one and see how it looks like. Let's click on run. Let's go back to the sheet. Okay, this is good. This is big. And now set row height, and then let's set the column width as well. So for age, it is like more formula. It is like okay. For names, it is like less. So I would like to set column width. So here first row. That's the reason we gave like one here. But the columns, we have three columns. So again, it goes like I. Come on, let's give like 140. Let's see. Let's click on run. So this is like trial and error. I mean, you try and then you see. Okay, now everything is like fine. Or maybe we'll give like 160, and let's click on run. Okay, this is good. And then what else we can do? Um, the font color. So I would like to have white. Let's see how it looks like. Set dot get range 1 comma I dot set font color. I would like to have white. Let's run this one and let's see how it looks like. Does it looking good? Yep, it is looking good. And let makes like let make it like little bold. And she, she dot get range 1 comma I dot set font weight. I want it to be bold. Okay, let's run this one. Yeah, this is bold. This is good. And now let's let's also like align everything like center. If you see like this is like left side and both of them they are center. Let's go back to here. She dot get range 1 comma I dot set font set horizontal alignment. I would like to have this as center. Okay, let's run this one. Cool. Now let's freeze the first row here. Okay, let's freeze the first row. And for that, she dot frozen can like set frozen rows of 1. Cool. Let's run this one and let's see. Yep. So this is how we can make changes to to in our sheet in order to make it like look like beautiful and all like very clear, and which helps us to differentiate the header versus the normal data. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you happy good learning.